Hello, welcome to Seaton on the southwest coast of England. It is also the home of the IBA's Harman Engineering Training College. Before we visit the college, let me explain the responsibilities of the Independent Broadcasting Authority. From its headquarters in London, opposite the famous Harrods store, it fulfills 3 of its 4 functions. It awards franchises to the independent television and radio companies, regulates television programming,
every function the result of applied logic,
and controls advertising standards.
Outstanding cleaning results.
Lastly, and this is where the training college comes in, it transmits the programs, both networked and regional. To do this, the engineering division designs, constructs, operates and maintains some 2,000 transmitters across the British Isles. The power of these individual transmitters varies from the large 80 kilowatt installation at Crystal Palace, serving the London area and emitting 1 megawatt equivalent radiated power from a 750-foot mast, to transposers emitting a watt or so on each channel and serving populations of a few hundred, like this one at Beer, a neighbouring village of Seaton. Broadcast engineers operate from mobile maintenance bases, of which there are 22 in the 4 engineering regions. Each region has an operations centre where faults on main transmitters can be automatically identified by computer-controlled telemetry systems. The 4 regions are managed from the engineering division headquarters near Winchester, which we will be visiting later. But first, let us look at the college here in Seaton, where the authority trains its broadcast engineers. And who better to show you round than its principal, Peter Shepherd. Peter?
Thank you, Sam. We're standing in the forecourt of Majar House, the administrative centre for the college. In addition to my office and the reprographic centre, it houses a kitchen and a spacious dining hall where staff and trainees get their midday meals. While studying at the college, the trainees stay in one of Seaton's many hotels and guest houses. 150 metres along the road from Majar House are the main college buildings. Originally used as dormitories and classrooms for a convent school, they were bought in 1976 when the new technology and changes in the broadcasting industry called for far more training than they could provide at the small training unit, which is co-located with the Stockton Hill transmitters 15 kilometres north of here. In 1986, the IBA bought the chapel building, and this is where we'll start. It is now our radio transmitter laboratory and classroom, and here you will see a range of MF and VHF transmitters used to provide the independent radio network. Some of these are 20 years old. They still, however, require maintenance, and therefore we need to provide training. Others employ the latest integrated and switching mode technology, and these feature more prominently in our current training program. Across the driveway, the main building has 2 fully equipped classrooms, used by the college staff and also visiting experts, lecturing on a wide range of technologies.
Just explain that again.
There are 2 small signals and measurements laboratories where we currently teach video techniques, radio data systems, digital dual channel sound, and the Mach signal used in direct broadcasting by satellite. Our largest laboratory is adaptable, but it is mainly used as a transmitter hall. It also houses a range of television transposers used in the IBA network. In it, we have a working pulse klystron with its associated cooling plant. Here, engineers learn alignment procedures, fault-finding techniques, and their way around transmitter circuits without fear of taking the program off the air. The lecturing staff have their offices here, where they design and develop courses and monitor the effectiveness of the training. The building also houses a number of support services, such as a laboratory technician's workshop, a video editing suite, draftsman's facilities and desktop publishing.
At the end of 1990, the IBA is to be replaced by 3 successor bodies: the Independent Television Commission, the ITC, the Radio Authority, and a separate engineering company, National Transcom, which is to be privatised next year. Sadly, to prepare for privatisation, the college here at Seaton must close. The good news is that a new training facility, combining general, management and technical training, is to be set up in the main building of the new company here at Crawley Court near Winchester, which is presently the headquarters of IBA's engineering division. Here we will have the benefit of constant access to local experts in the complete range of company activities, which are planned to expand to cover other areas of telecommunications engineering. We also have on site state-of-the-art research and development laboratories, plus a well-equipped technical library. Although we all mourn the loss of the splendid Seaton facility with its long and successful training record, we look forward to the challenge of teaching new technology in a new training centre within a new organisation.